it's Nevaeh and that's Samaya right there. We're just getting this slime done. We really just had lost track of the filming and everything. So yeah. So we're making slime. We had some blue slime right here, blue glue. We had some white school glue right here. And then we have some pink one that she's using, and we both mixed them all together. And then I still have white glue. So then, now we're going to use the borax.
Well, I'm not about to use my borax because I have to mix it.
I'm about to use the borax. You're going to have to wait until I'm done. Because we both going to need some, okay?
So that means you got to go and wash your hands first.
Yeah. So I'm going to go with my hands first. And... you know, take you guys on a journey with us.
That should be enough for you.
Alright, we just keep looking flowing. And you guys should go on my channel and check, you know, my channel out. Because we just made a video on my channel.
And we made white basic slime.
Yeah.
But
we colored it. So basically, like
I did mine with
colored
polish.
mine.
I
put nail polish and green marker, basically. Here, put some here.
Oh.
Alright.
It's like, I think mine is gonna be clear.
Mine's, it looks like it's just gonna stay white.
Want some more?
Yeah, put some more. Alright, now I'm gonna pick it up.
Pick it up. Want me to give you some more?
Wait, put some more before I pick it up.
I'm picking it up.
Alright. But yeah, this past weekend, November 9th.
It's not even sticking, so that should be cool.
November 9th, it was her birthday. Basically, yesterday was her birthday. And she just came to stay the night over my house, and we just decided to make slime and stuff like that. She got her a new phone. That's what we're recording off of. My phone is over there. And yeah, this weekend was just like a blast.
Touch the borax. It's not going to stick. Go on with your hands now.
Ready? Wait. Hold on.
I'll give some more borax.
Hold on. Wait. Oh man, I'm scared.
No,
I'm not scared, but you know, I don't. Wait. I got it. All right. Give me some more. They see us making it. Ooh, getting it everywhere.
I want more.
But yeah. It's coming together. Alright, so you guys, we'll get back with you guys once we're done.